friends, welcome to my channel Step by Step Gate Preparation Simplified by Architect Shalu Mittal. Friends, in last two videos I have discussed important aspects of urban design like city beautiful movement, famous urban spaces, urban design theories and thinkers. If you have not gone through video, I have shared the link in description box. In this video, we will talk about conservation terminology, acts related, degree of enclosure, heritage conservation charters. Starting with the quick summary. Conservation terminology. Important conservation terms from the Bura Charter. Place. A place means a geographically defined area. It can include buildings, spaces, objects or views, both tangible and intangible. Cultural significance. This means aesthetic, historic, social, scientific or spiritual value of a place for the past, present or the future generations. It includes meaning in fabric setting, use and association of place. Fabric. Fabric means all the physical material of a place like elements, fixtures, contents and objects. Conservation. Conservation means all processes used to look after a place so that its cultural significance is retained. Next one is maintenance. It means continuous care and protection of a place to prevent deterioration. Maintenance is not equal to repair. Preservation. Preservation means keeping a place in its existing state and preventing decay. Then restoration. Restoration means returning a place to its earlier known state by removing additions or resembling old parts without adding new material. Reconstruction. Reconstruction is a step ahead. It means recreating a vanished building on its original site. It involves new materials and acts as a three-dimensional copy of the original. Now adaptation means changing place to suit new uses or functions while keeping its cultural value. Now the replication. Replication means creating an exact copy or mirror image of an existing structure. Levels of intervention in urban conservation. Order of intervention from least to most radical. Preservation, maintaining the building as it is. Restoration, bring back its earlier stage. Conservation, physically intervene to ensure structural safety. These are the levels of intervention in the urban conservation. First one is preservation, then restoration, then conservation. Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 2010. The Act is managed by National Monuments Authority. Key guidelines. Prohibited area minimum 100 meters from the boundary of protected monument. No construction allowed here. Regulated area. Next 200 meters beyond the prohibited zone. Construction allowed only with permission from NMA, that is National Monument Authority. If this is the area where the protected monument is, then this is the protected area, then this 100 meter is the prohibited area, then this 200 meter is the regulated area. Now quick recap. Preservation means to maintain. Restoration means to return to known state. Reconstruction is recreate. Adaptation, modify for new use. Ancient Monument and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act protects monument with 100 meter plus 200 meter rule. This is legal protection of monuments. Bura Charter is conservation principles. Means Bura Charter is based on conservation principles. Now coming to the next aspect of urban design, that is degree of enclosure. It is a measure that defines how enclosed or open a space feels. It shows the relationship between height, that is h, of the surroundings, building or the wall, and the distance of the viewer. Clearly, this is the viewer, this is the distance from the wall or the building, and this is the height of the building or a wall. Then this angle tangent theta will be equal to h upon d. This means theta will be equal to tangent inverse h upon d. Now based upon this formula, the degree of enclosure, full enclosure means 1:1, then angle will be 45 degree. Threshold or optimal enclosure, that means 1:2, then this is the angle 26.57 degree. Minimum enclosure means 1:3, then the angle will be 18.43 degree. Loss of enclosure means 1:4, angle will be 14.04 degree. Heritage Conservation Charters. Quick recap of Heritage Conservation Charter. Venice Charter comes in year 1964. Focus area, monument and sites. Key principles, authenticity, context, minimum intervention. Then Florence Charter comes in 1981. Focus area, historic garden. Key principles, plants, vegetation, water use, restoration. Then the Bura Charter 1979. Heritage places, process based significance first, conservation. Washington Charter comes in 1987. Historic towns. Then urban conservation planning, integration, community focus. Now the previous year questions based on these topics. First one is, as per Bura Charter 2013, cultural significance means dash for past, present or future. Answer is historic, aesthetic, scientific, social or spiritual value. Next question is, threshold enclosure created by a vertical surface or series of vertical elements in an urban plaza represented by ratio of height and distance is given by an angle of dash degrees. In the notes we have learned this angle will be 26.57 degree. You can go through notes for this answer. The Venice Charter 1964 led to establishment of, answer is International Council on Monuments and Sites. Now this is the match question. Match the Heritage Conservation Charters in Group 1 with their focus area in the Group 2. Group 1 has Washington Charter, Florence Charter, Venice Charter, Bura Charter. And Group 2 has a conservation of historic gardens, conservation of places of cultural significance, authenticity, conservation and restoration of monuments and sites, conservation of historic towns. Friends, you have to give answer of this question in comment box. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Do write the answer of asked question in the comment section. And also if you have any doubts, please write in comment section below. See you in the next video that will be on development controls. Till then, keep learning and stay motivated. Bye.